Yeah, uyaphuza mfethu.
Ngiyaphuza ukufika noma ngiyaphuza utshwala.
Utshwala.
Awu uyabuhlabanga phela.
Yini ngakiswe nje utshwala? Yini ngakiswe utshwala?
Angiboni. Ayikho. Ngoba yeba ungabuzi ungaqhube nombuzo wakho. Ngoba ungene ngikhululeke, ungene ngimehlise utshwala ngiyabuthanda. And futhi umuntu angiyesa utshwala. Manje ngiyutshwala ngaba nenhliziyo.
I'm talking about.
Bathi ongena into babanjani? Yiwhy? Bazingcweleha ne-victims zasisalo esivalelwe embodleleni. Uthi xa ugqiba uyisela, uthi xa usithi uyayilahla, ithi vuku ndini. Ithi ulivukuvuku ngoba seyaqala yagqiba ukwenza ivukuvuku.
Hello everyone, Molweni Sanibona. Win a trip with any police station of your choice by simply dialing I Drive Drunk and stand a chance to win free meals, free accommodation and free transport. This is sponsored by the government and I thank you.
Bafethu lana ke umoya lo olaphakathi kwa 2025 umoya nje wasisophuma ku2025 ngiyawugcina soze siwuvule ngo2030 siwuze ukuthi unuka kanjani. Siyabonga.
People say dumb shit, you know. Imagine someone says, now that you have money, you don't see us. Can you explain how I will see you? I don't have the time to see you because all I see is money, my sister. And when I was broke, my eyes were wide open. Where were you? Eh? Now that my eyes are covered by money, you want me to see you?
Very white.
Hey, yabona ama 1K. Letha ngezinye ipose. On the floor.
Good. Get to the way.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Match balance. You bought your license.
We've got millions of free Charles Place holidays available with 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book now with Jet2 holidays. Package holidays.
Zolonganile imoto zabantu mfondini.
Man. Emathunga man. Ay.
TikTok nichaza kanjani into imoto ingena kanjani la? Hayibo. Ngicela ningitsheleni kuma comment section ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hayi.
Mfuna ukuthi eyiwele moto yomoda lento yakhe izoba lento yakhe. Yobaleka lento yomoda. Sonali. Abo boys about the clips anabo boys. Sibona. Phelile umdlalo mthengi. Phelile umdlalo. Yaphapha lo. Lo yaphapha lo. Uyaphuza nokuphuza ngara. Sibuya nayo.
The cameraman is such a hater. Yamvutini.
Sibuya nayo.
Sibuya naye.
Bamsearcha ke mayiphelile iChristmas.
Bafaka ibrand.
Ngcono uvuka unebhabhalaza noma uvuka unomntana. Bhabhalaza zayithi nje 1 2 umntana. Hayibo iminyaka emingaka.
Wait for it.
Hayibo. Ake nibizeni umthombeni nama-RT ayamazi. Nenzani ezweni? Hayibo webafa. Uzwile ukuthi khona unational? Uzwile ukuthi ukhona unational? Hayibo webafa. Hayi mthombeni awulungisi.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available with 20...
At least in the number actually papa. Ichala papa wena wenze noba indubela. Okanye ujeneti.
2 kilograms of...
Ndithi andiyazi manthini na. Ndiyakhangela apha eyadini akho mthindi ubonayo. Ndizichome bandiyazalwa ngomso.
Uthe uzazixhoma yiluvuyo okanye yintoni le?
Amankazana wandifuni andivuma afuza kum.
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
Yo. Abezibila kulo msebenzi.
Hello, lover.
Knockout.
God have mercy upon us.
Neziphi ngabezi.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Ichalo edori ngumoya. Awuze nenye. Maximum security. Shola nje ichoke qanga.
Sini khuthazimente mngani wami.
Ithi kuzoba mnandi momnandi.
Thank.
Kuzoba siri mawusiri.
Thank you.
Kuzoba kubi mawumuhle. Yada.
Dango.
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do...
You can't park the car there. Hey bro, ngitsala phi le? Itipi yodwa mosle.
Mhlawumbe upresident wale Mzansi udlana nemali kodwa nje i-national anthem ayina music video.
Ikusezake ndayicinga ke leyo bafethu. I-national anthem ayina music video. Kodwa sityama 500 billion be-COVID everything. At least he's a present father. When you get with them,
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included. But now, with Jet2 holidays, package holidays you can trust. National Protect.
Guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas and prosperous. I wish a Merry Christmas and proposition.
In a taxi telling me they paid me, yo. Like, you didn't pay. Like, you didn't pay, yo. You didn't. But you're hitting me. You're hitting me. You're on camera, yo. You're hitting me. You're on camera. Now I'm not gonna hit you. Hit me again. I'm not gonna hit you, yo. But you didn't pay. You didn't pay, yo.
You didn't pay, yo.
As he testified earlier on how he met Minister Mtunu, it was in Kabinde who today said we actually went with Mkonazi's car, the petrol that he paid for. So there's already that discrepancies between those two statements, but General Mkonazi will be back here at the committee to come and testify once all this.
Also support Barcelona and later. How would you support Madrid nje wena? Uzosidla kanjani manje?
Support Barcelona na kwi-league. Support Madrid kwi-Champions League. Barcelona nje ilahla makuya kwi-Champions League. Yabona support ngendlela ehlukile. Ngifike England and support Liverpool. Ngifike South Africa and support Kaizer Chiefs. Yabona?
Kube neKaizer Chiefs yakhe ayikho umuntu osupporta kanje. Ayikho umuntu osupporta kanje mfethu ayikho lonje. Uzosidla namhlanje kusasa futhi uyawina nathi.
Hayibo. If confused was a person.
Oh, manani. Ikona indoda ethi muthi 1%. Ngathi kunobutabane nyana nje la. Ikona indoda ezobhiza ibhalo umuthi la kulokuzana kwi-status. Ungahingi lapho futhi.
Elthamo ijwa into etsang.
Ke ijwa into ke etsang buan ke mthwaka mtho wa unjwe o kgethela hore ke etse. Ke mthwaka ga le kutlwa le mtho. Sa njwe hore ke etse le ona no ba bona tlhatswa le paint ya. O no re ngape. Or batla o tlo nthusa.
Qeta uhlatsu qeta
hayibo elore mama wena
hayibo
1 2 3
Sbe
Fuck all. Lo.
Olostro, can you tell us 3 things that you are grateful for?
No.
When?
I want to be a president.
Okay, tell us more.
More? I want to be the mighty below the whole world.
Tell us more.
I want to be the intelligent one in the whole world. In the whole world.
Okay, and then that's what you grateful. Those are 3 things he's grateful for today.
Yeah.
Hurrah. Yeah. Yes.
Shit. Safika leso sikhathi liyehla igoli lalithembisile lathi uma ngibuya ngiyowehla nako konke kwami auntie.
Shani video phela.
Ukuthi asifuni vele ngoba bangayenza ibe 1 rand asifuni.
Andiqondi mani bayi 3 rand ezaflower. Iflower ziduru kangaka. I think we save at 3 rand or something. Ngokuzona zincimba yi 3 rand. Zithi ladies, even if flowers is 1 rand, asifuni ukuzithenga.
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
Iyalwa nesi situlo ngokule. Yes, umuntu akasakwazi nothunywa leli. Which one is this one? La DJ Wikio. DJ number 7.
Ayithatha imali ke yami atayithenga ogqiba ithenge iyathenga takhosi iyabheka takhosi iyalive takhosi iyabheka takhosi danu babalo ayingancane lomntana ubabalo ayefuna e-Oscampeta improtector kosiKasilaruna eKasilaruna improtector eKasilaruna ukuba isoti sidala lomntana ukuba sibhenise nyawupe lomntana aye zonke nibhantha lomntana ade lokho lolutho lomntana nayinentashi ngalana lomntana nayinedresi lomntana vele wathinta waqwesa lomntana aqwesa bomlimi lomntana babalo bese ngibona evuke khonana umangalana e-university athi uyambona umdlali uyamthinta umuntu wakhe aningamthatha nomthanda ke mina umakhala phambi kwami ngibonisa indlela ngibonisa uhambo lwakho
Babalo menze ntoni lo mjita? Uyini babalo. Hayi nama ngene studio manenze ingoma yikho le. Ingoma ezinje. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. For more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe. Until the next one. Sure.